Hi, my name is Juliet Ryan, and I am 40 years old, and I live in Long Beach, California. 8 years ago, I woke up and I could not get out of bed. I could not walk. I literally had to get on my hands and knees and crawl to the bathroom and try to pull myself up on the counter. And I was in bed for probably about 3 weeks and I couldn't walk. Yeah, it was the most terrifying time of my life, just to not know what was going on. And then I eventually got over to the doctors and got the MRIs and saw all those results and all the medications and physical therapy and injections. And, it did work for a little bit, but then I was just right back in all the back pain again. And my back went out again for the second time. Again, I was in bed for, this time it was almost like a month where I could barely walk. And, I had come across your guys' workshop and I had read previously books on John Sarno that had helped me a lot. But I felt like I was missing some key points there. So I saw you guys' workshop and I was like, I don't know. I don't really want to pay for a workshop, but I was so desperate. And I was like, I just didn't know if it worked, but I knew because you guys were kind of practicing, the techniques with John Sarno that, and I knew that had worked, previously in the past for me. So I signed up and I'm so grateful that I did. I've seen pretty much every doctor at Kaiser because I going back trying to find answers, and each doctor would just say, the physical therapy or, more medication, more injections. And the last doctor I saw just pretty much told me that she had back issues, and her answer was to, as soon as her son turned 2, to never pick him up again. And she just turned to me and said, you're never going to be able to pick up your son. It's just picking up your son causes too much back pain. So it's something that you're not going to be able to do. And I left there and I could cry right now, just thought of it. But, I go to the park all the time with my son and I pick up my son every day, so because of your guys' workshop. So, left to the doctors, you just leave. You're so frustrated because you go for answers and they look at you like, I don't know. You're not going to be able to do this. You're not going to be able to do that. And we don't know if it's ever going to change, so.
Outrageous. Yeah. That's, the doctors told me never to completely stop exercising because my spine was so frail that it was probably about to break in half, so that was completely wrong. So I'm glad that you figured that out.
Doctors don't even know. They're like trained to do one thing, money, money, money. And, that this is what works. And if it does, I had one orthopedic doctor told me, you may just stay like this for the rest of your life. And I'm like, what? How can a doctor tell you that? That's just like the most devastating news at that time. I think I was like 25 years old telling me that, I'm most likely could just stay like this for the rest of my life with a back brace and not being able to walk. I would love to thank John and Laura. You guys, I owe you my life. I really do. And I hope that the people that are watching this video, your life can change too. We're doing this workshop and implementing the things that they suggest. I can do all kinds of things today. So I'm really, really grateful for you guys. Like you guys have put the tools in place of what was missing with, what I was doing previously. And now I got my life back. So thank you. I really appreciate you guys.